Hey folks, this is project 2 of 2 going over the triangles and combining the 30-60 and 45-90 triangles. Here they are here. The 45-90, because it has a 45 degree, and 90 degree. And the 30-60, 30 degree angle, 60 degree angle, 90 degree angle. We're going to combine these, and every 15 degrees we're going to make a line and label it. You can see here how to combine the triangles to make the different lines, and this is kind of tricky, but it's a little bit of trial and error to sort of figure it out. Now, one of the tough things is this is a tapered triangle. In other words, it's really only designed to work in one direction. If you flip it over, it has the edge is raised, and that's too bad. That's just how Mr. Penn did it. We'll work around it as best we can. All right, so for starters, we want to make a 15 degree angle. Now, we don't have, we have to work off of a flat parallel line, right? And we've got a few here that we can work with. So we're going to put the first triangle down here, the second one here, line it up right over where the A is, okay? And if you feel your triangles are sliding past each other, that's because, again, this has a bevel on it. So you want to make sure that they're both flipped over so that when they click together, if you do it like this, it's going to slide underneath each other and get stuck, and you won't have as parallel a line. So make sure you're lined up here with the bottom of the page as best you can. Right there through the A, hold your protractors down, hold your triangles down, and we'll draw our first line and label it. As you can see here, stacking your triangles like this with the 30-60 and the 45-90 makes a 15 degree angle, which we just drew here, so we can label this one using our best block writing, 15 degrees. 15 plus 15 is 30. We already know this is a 30 degree angle, so we can carefully line this up on one of the parallel lines. In this case, I'm going to use the big thick one down here. And as best that I can, line it up so it goes through the A, from point A out. This is a 30 degree angle. Now we have a 45. Again, we want to make sure it goes through the A. I'm lining up the bottom of the triangle with this dark black line here, sliding it over so it goes through the A, radiating out, 45 degrees. This right here, 45 plus 30 is 60. So now we're going to use our 60 degree angle right here. Line it up with the bottom of the page, down here in this thick dark line, try to make it as parallel as possible, and that it passes through the A. Here is a 60 degree. 60 plus 15 is 75. Here's how we combine our triangles to make a 75. This is our 30-60, and this is our 45-90. We're going to combine them together like this. And we know that this is going to be a 75 degree angle. So line up again with the bottom of the page as best you can. I'm going to go all the way down here. That seems to be a little easier for me to work if I line it up with this black line down here. Carefully hold it into place. I know this is tricky, folks. Do your best. If you make a mistake, erase and start over. 90 degree, I think we can pull that one off. Lining up with this thick black line, straight up and down. Okay, I'm going to do the rest of these without narrating. Well, I'll narrate a little because I want, again, to make sure that you're lining up carefully, as parallel as possible. I just get tired of hearing my own voice. Okay, 90 plus 15, 105 degrees. So now we're at 120 degrees. Then we'll do 135.